Hey, James Bill here, and welcome back to my attraction marketing tips, guys. I gave you, in the last video, I gave you the information on helping you using attraction marketing by setting up your profile picture. Today, I'm going to go into something else. It's how to attract people to you by using content without spamming groups. I'm going to go to Facebook groups. Let's dive into it. Okay, here's my Facebook profile picture here. And what I'm going to do, this is some content that I put out earlier. It says how to identify having the right system. And I say, listen for the sound, cha-ching. You know, it's nice and witty, funny, guys. But people that's in the business, they're going to know what I'm talking about. And they're going to relate and they're going to like this. But what you want to do is take a post like this. This is from my profile. And you simply want to share it. You come here, share to a page. And I'm going to go to one of the share on the page you manage. No, I'm going to go in a group. And I'm going to hit make money online. Okay, and there's some of the make money online groups. Now I can simply click on the make money online group and simply hit the post button. I don't want to do this again. I already done it once earlier. Simply go here and click on that post button. And now you're going to have that piece of content inside of one of the groups, guys. And that's all I have for you here. I want to keep this short because I'm going to come back to you with more. There's more parts in the future. And I hope you got some value out of this, guys. And stay tuned. I'll be coming back to you with more tips for attraction marketing.